Hi! Welcome to Bookbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos.
Brushing is no fun by Srividya Venkat. When Rohan woke up, he began to play with Jimmy, his dog.
There's something you should do first,
said Riya, his big sister.
Brush your teeth.
Woof!
I don't want to brush my teeth. Jimmy doesn't brush his teeth. Animals take care of their teeth too, but in other ways. We must brush our teeth to keep germs away. Germs. Germs are very tiny creatures that you cannot see. If you don't brush properly, they stay in your mouth and hurt you. Ouch! Yes, that's why we must take good care of our teeth by brushing twice a day, morning and night. But brushing is no fun. I'll tell you a secret, Rohan.
Rohan smiled. Mummy called out, "It's breakfast time!"
Let's wash our hands first,
said Riya. Woof!
But Jimmy never washes his hands.
Riya laughed and said,
He doesn't use his hands or paws to eat like we do. We must wash our hands with soap to get rid of germs. Are germs on our hands too? Germs are everywhere. Woof!
Later, Riya showed Rohan the proper way to wash hands.
Wet your hands and turn off the tap. Then rub in some soap on the palms, the back of the hands and between the fingers. Scrub hands for 20 seconds. Now it's time to rinse off and dry. But that's a long time. Remember my secret?
Rohan smiled. When they came back home after playing, Riya nudged Rohan.
There's something we should do first.
Mummy teased. Play some more.
No, take a bath. Germs are everywhere. We can't see them, but they stick to our skin and clothes. That's why we must bath every day to get rid of them.
Start by getting yourself wet, said Mummy. Then apply soap all over. Riya and Rohan giggled as Mummy's ticklish fingers soaped them up. Then it's time to rinse off and dry with a clean towel. Super clean! Woof! Do you want to listen to a story? Asked Papa.
Papa, there's something we should do first,
said Riya, pulling Rohan along.
Make the germs disappear with our magic secret.
Rohan nodded. A few minutes later, Mummy and Papa heard a familiar tune. "So that's your secret?" said Papa.
humming a song to make brushing fun. And while washing our hands too.
That's a great idea, said Mummy. Rohan and Riya enjoy taking care of themselves. Do you?
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.